I always talk about some special place for coffee or relaxation, or how to say, to sit down and think about the most important things in your life. There is many things in our life, but the one and only thing or how to say spiritual thing is family. And when you in some special place for you in your heart to find your spiritual second, minute or hour or day, that special place you must have in your heart. And my friends in the world, I want to present you the oldest, 5 oldest dam in the world to produce the energy for life. The Nikola Tesla project. In the Second World War, the Germans preserve this dam and give the new life. This is the fastest channel, one of the fastest channel in the world. In the nature fall down in producing the energy, electric energy. And this is my special place, my dam, the Sychevo Gorge Dam, the one, the oldest, and my, how to say, precious place. Best regards from Serbia, the beautiful country, free country, and above all, the oldest country in the world. Have a nice day. This is the most beautiful spiritual coffee place and tea place and spiritual place.